Hey fam, I just wanted to say sorry for being a bit out of touch lately. Life got a little hectic, but I'm back and so excited to reconnect with you all. Thank you for your patience and support, it means the world. Colorful traditions of Pakistan celebrating culture and festivals. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today, I'm taking you on a beautiful journey through the heart of Pakistan's rich traditions and festivals, from colorful weddings to vibrant Eid celebrations. Let's dive in. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Ramadan. Basant, Kite Festival. Independence Day, August 14th. Traditions. Weddings, Shaadi. Hospitality culture. Clothing and language diversity. Pakistan is full of love, color, and tradition, and I hope this gave you a little glimpse into our beautiful culture. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment your favorite tradition, and subscribe for more.